The slope of line passing through point A, coordinates 4, 1, and point B, coordinates 3y, is negative 4 over 3. What is the value of y? The second coordinate of point B is our unknown. We have to find y. And what we have given, the slope of line passing through point A and B. So let me remind you formula for the slope. Slope, when we have given line y is equal ax plus b, a is slope, and formula for a is when we have 2 points A, coordinates x1, y1, and b, x2, y2, the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we have given 2 points. In our example, point A has coordinates 4, 1. So this is our x1, y1. This is our x2, y2. We have given A. We have given y1, x2, x1, unknown is only y2. So we can solve this equation with one unknown. Let me substitute A, because A is given that the slope is negative 4 over 3. So we have negative 4 over 3 is equal y2 is our unknown, and y2 is equal to y. y2 is equal to y. y is equal to y2. This is our unknown. So we have y2 minus y1 is 1 over x2 is 3 minus x1 is 4. So we have equation only with one unknown. We copy negative 4 over 3. This is equal y2 minus 1 over 3 minus 4 is negative 1. What we can do here, we have negative on the left and negative on the right. So when we multiply by negative 1 both sides, we will reduce negative sign. So we will have only 4 over 3 is equal, and denominator also will reduce. So we have y2 minus 1. Next, because we need to find y2, I will move negative 1 to the left. So it will be 4 over 3 plus 1 is equal y2. So we can rewrite that y2 is equal 4 over 3 is 1 and 1/3 plus 1. So we have that y2 is equal 2 and 1/3. We have mixed number. You can change to improper fraction if you want. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 over 3. Both solutions are correct. Depends which you need. If you need fraction, we have 7 over 3. If you need mixed number, it's 2 and 1/3. So we found y2, and y2 is our y. So we can write that y is equal 7 over 3. This is my solution.